I am really impressed with my electric cleaning brush, spin scrubbing brush. When I got it out of the box, it has 6 attachments total, which includes the brush attachment that comes already installed on the unit. It also comes with the charging cord and the outlet plug so that you can charge your unit when it needs it. And it also comes with a little wrist strap for a little extra security when you are holding on to it. And you can see here, this is where you plug in the cord to charge it. The display shows you how much battery power you have left, which is nice so that you aren't caught unaware while you're cleaning. It has 2 speeds, and here's the sound. I like how it is easy to change out the attachments depending on what kind of surface you are cleaning or what kind of detail work you need. And to change out the flat scrubbers, there's a separate head where you peel the backing off and then you can just reattach a flat scrubber or polisher depending on what you want. But it's kind of like a Velcro action, so that's how you get those on and off. Once I got all of that figured out, I went ahead and went to work scrubbing my shower, and this spin brush does an amazing job. I was able to get into the corners and get the surfaces of my shower with no problems at all. If you are looking for a cordless rechargeable spin cleaning brush, I 100% recommend this product.